Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal. Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Children, yesterday we have completed our grammar part also. Yes, children. Now, see here today. Now we are going to write to the new lesson. What is the lesson number, children? 11. Aeroplane. You know aeroplane, children. Everyone. Yes, aeroplane. It goes no. Yes. See here. Before going into a lesson, I want you to tell that we have completed our 10th lesson, module 10 and lesson number 10. Yes. Then tomorrow I will conduct you the ST. Okay, only 5 minutes before after completing our class I will conduct 5 minutes ST tomorrow, not now. Okay, children, you should learn the question answers of lesson number 10. Question answers of lesson number 10. Learn question answers of lesson number 10. Exercise 2 question answers. Enough. This is your ST part. Okay, children, this is your ST part. Now entering into our lesson. Here, word and rhyming word. In every rhyme, they will having a rhyming word. Not only the rhyme, the poem they will have the rhyme. See, here, listen and say aloud words first. Around, ground. Around, ground. What are the rhyming words, children? Rhyming words means the end sound will be same. The end sound will be same. Around, ground. Loud, cloud. Loud, cloud. Rise, skies. Rise, skies. Have you ever heard the sound of aeroplane as they fly? How the aeroplane fly? Have you heard? I have heard. The sound will be very this. Once it will be nice. Sometimes it will be very rashly. It is. Can you name few things and creatures that can fly? Yes, butterfly can fly. Birds can fly. Yes, children. Yes. Now we are going to read a poem about the enjoyable experience of flying high in an aeroplane. Okay. I press on the starter, the propeller whirls around my aeroplane and I brush over the ground. Here, I press on the starter. What is the starter? The button, starter button. The starting button. What it is? Starter. Means it is a button. See, when you are starting a bike, you will be having a starting button, no? Yes, that button. The propeller wheels around. Propeller means a fan-like object that moves in the aeroplane, no? In the aeroplane, front of the aeroplane, they will be having, no? Yes, the three fans it will be. Yes, children. It will be like this and the aeroplane will be like this. Yes, children? Yes? Aeroplane will be like this. Understood, children? Now, my aeroplane and I brush over the ground. Aeroplane, I brush over the ground. Brush means what, children? Brush means what? Everyone tell me. Yes, what it is? To move gently against something. To move gently against something. I lift from the field. The motor roars out loud. Far below is the earth. Above me a bright cloud. What here? I lift from the field. The sound comes and I lift from the field. Means from the field. And motor roars out loud. The sound will be loud. The motor sound will be. And for below is the earth. Far below is the earth. Now we are in the sky. Means the below is the earth. Far below is the earth. And above is the clouds. Bright clouds. I dip and I drop, I swoop and I rise. Oh, it's fun to be flying away up in the skies. Here I dip and I drop, I swoop and I rise. Here I dip and I drop means what? Dip means what? To make quickly downwards. And swoop means what? To move down fast through the, yes, towards something, through the air. See, I dip and I drop means it goes down and, okay, up. I swoop. Swoop means what I said. It goes near something. To move downwards. To move downwards. Quickly, fastly. Dip means fastly. And if it goes drop, it goes up. Means the slanting. Like this it goes. Here it is this slantingly. Okay. I swoop and I rise. Oh, it's a fun to be flying out way up in the skies. I also feel when I will fly in the sky. You all feel happy, no, children? It will be very thrilling also. Yes, children, it will be very fun also. Understood, children? Here it is the aeroplane, how it moves. We are telling here. When we are pressing a starter button, now you think I'm going in the aeroplane. I pressed a starter button, and the propeller wheels round, round, round. It goes, and my aeroplane brush. It goes up, and it lifts from the land. The motor roars. The sound of the motor will be loud. And for when I went up like this, below is the earth, above is the clouds. Yes, children, bright clouds, and I dip like this. I dip and I drop, I dip and I drop, I swoop and I rise. Means it is going down to that, and again I am rising. Yes, children. Oh, it's fun to be flying way up in the skies. See here. Yes, children. What are the new words here? Starter, propeller, brush, dip, soup. Okay, now once everyone start reading with me. I press on the starter. The propeller wheels around. My aeroplane and I brush over the ground. I lift from the field. The motor roars out loud. Far below is the earth. Above me a bright cloud. I dip and I drop. I swoop and I rise. Oh, it's fun to be flying way up in the skies. Way up in the skies. See here, up in the skies. What it is? It's a poem we have learned. Once again, I am reading, children. I pressed on the starter. The propeller wheels round. My aeroplane and I brush over the ground. I lift from the field. The motor roars out loud. Far below is the earth. Above me a bright cloud. I dip and I drop. I swoop and I rise. Oh, it's fun to be flying way up in the sky. This is the poem. We have read the poem also. Okay, now let us discuss questions. What does the poet press to begin flying the aeroplane? What does the poet press to begin flying aeroplane? The starter. What he presses? Starter. Who brushes over the ground with what? My poet brushes over the ground with aeroplane. With aeroplane. What is far below the poet? Yes, earth. What is above the poet? Bright clouds. Okay, children. Now, what you will do means read the poem and write the new words, meanings in your classwork. LED question answers in your textbook. Understood, children? Sorry, LED questions in your homework book. Yes, children. Once again, I will read the poem. Remember, read after me. Okay. You should read the poem, and you should write new words, meanings in the classwork. LED questions in your homework book. Start reading after me. I pressed on the starter. The propeller whirls around. My aeroplane and I brush over the ground. I lift from the field. The motor roars out loud. Far below is the earth. Above me a bright cloud. I dip and I drop. I swoop and I rise. Oh, it's fun to be flying way up in the sky. Understood, children? What are the meanings you will write? Starter, propeller, brush, dip, soup. These meanings you should write. Let us discuss question answers and new words. Write the rhyming words also. What are the rhyming words to learn in this poem? Around, ground. Around, ground. Yes, children. Loud, cloud. Loud, cloud. Yes, rise. Yes, tell me. You only should tell, no? Skies. Rise, skies. Understood, children? These are the rhyming words and poem we have completed. Tomorrow we will do the literature comprehension, read and answer, and value-based question answers. Okay, children? Once you read the poem, and what is your ST? What is the test tomorrow? Lesson number 10, exercise 2, question answers you should learn for ST. Tomorrow I will conduct your ST. Understood, children? We have completed one lesson and I wanted to conduct the ST. And learn the workbook part also. Just learn the workbook part. And this is the main important. I will conduct ST tomorrow. Okay, children? Daily after completing our class, 5 minutes I will conduct the ST. Understood? Everyone have understood or not? I hope everyone have understood. Then everyone complete the work and read for ST. Learn for ST. Okay, children?